Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most timeless and versatile trends for summer crochet dresses. These beautiful garments are perfect for warm weather, offering a blend of elegance, comfort, and a touch of bohemian flair. Whether you are heading to the beach, attending a summer festival, or just enjoying a sunny day out, crochet dresses are the ultimate summer staple. Let's explore the various styles, how to wear them, and some tips for choosing the perfect crochet dress for any occasion. Crochet dresses have been a beloved fashion choices for decades, admired for their intricate patterns and handmade feel. The beauty of crochet lies in its versatility and it can be dressed up or down, making it suitable for a wide range of occasions from casual day wear to elegant evening attire. Crochet dresses offer endless possibilities. In 2024, the trend continues with fresh designs, bold colors, and innovative patterns that cater to every fashion enthusiast's taste. The classic white crochet dress is a summer essential. Its simplicity and elegance make it perfect for beach outings, picnics, and casual summer days. Look for dresses with delicate patterns and lightweight fabrics to keep cool in the heat. Pair your white crochet dress with strappy sandals and add a sun hat for a chic, effortless look. Add a statement necklace or colorful earrings to give your outfit a pop of color. This summer, colorful crochet dresses are making a big splash from vibrant reds and oranges to soothing blues and greens. There is a hue for every mood and occasion. These dresses are perfect for standing out at festivals, parties, or any social gathering. Opt for a dress with a mix of colors or a bold single shade and pair it with neutral accessories to let the dress shine. Wedge sandals and a crossbody bag can complete your colorful crochet ensemble. For those who love a bit of drama, crochet maxi dresses are the way to go. These floor length beauties are ideal for evening events, beach weddings, or any occasion where you want to make a statement. Look for dresses with intricate detailing, scalped edges, and unique patterns. Pair your maxi dress with heels, sandals, and minimalistic jewelry to keep the focus on the stunning crochet work. Crochet mini dresses are perfect for a flirty, fun summer look. These shorter styles are great for daytime outings, casual parties, or a day at the beach. Choose dresses with the playful patterns, bright colors, and a snug fit to show off your summer tan. Pair your mini dress with espadrilles or flat sandals and a cute clutch for a laid back yet stylish outfit. Embrace your inner boho chic with bohemian inspired crochet dresses. These dresses often feature earthy tones, flowy silhouettes, and a fringe or tassel details, perfect for music festivals, outdoor events, or a relaxed day out. Boho crochet dresses exude a carefree and artistic vibe. Pair your dress with ankle boots, a wide brimmed hat, and a layered jewelry to complete the bohemian look. Crochet dresses also make fantastic beach cover ups. Their breathable fabric and stylish design provide just the right amount of coverage while still keeping you cool. Look for open knit patterns and lightweight materials for the best beach cover up. Pair it with your favorite bikini, flip flops, and oversized sunglasses for the ultimate beach babe look. Crochet dresses are the festival fashion staple. Their unique patterns and eye catching designs make them perfect for standing out in a crowd. For a festival ready outfit, choose a crochet dress with bold colors and fun details like fringe, tassels, or beads. Pair it with comfortable sandals or boots, a crossbody bag, and a flower crown or headband to embrace the festival spirit. Who says crochet dresses can't be elegant? With the right design, crochet dresses can be perfect for evening events and formal occasions. When styling these dresses, there are few key tips to keep in mind. First, choose the right undergarments. Nude or matching color slips can provide the perfect base without taking away from the dress's design. Second, balance your accessories. Crochet dresses are already detailed and textured, so opt for simpler accessories to avoid looking overdone. Finally, consider the occasion. Lightweight and colorful dresses are great for casual outings, while darker, more intricate designs can work for more formal events. Proper care is essential to keep these dresses looking beautiful and year to come. Hand wash your dress in cold water with a gentle detergent to prevent stretching or damaging the fabric. Thank you so much for joining us in this journey through the world of crochet dresses, from classic white sundresses to bold, colorful designs. Crochet dresses offer endless possibilities for your summer wardrobe. Their versatility, comfort, and unique style make them a must-have for any fashion enthusiast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.